Okay, you are welcome to this tutorial. If you just joining for the first time, hit the subscribe button and put on the notification button so you get notified when I upload new videos. So you can also do yourself a favor by going through my previous videos. They will help you a lot, especially if you're just starting. Alright, so let's create this flyer design. It's quite simple. So this is the image size 120 1024 12880. So just click OK. So I'll just come here and change the color to black so you can see. Okay, so this is my background. I'll just come here and position, use the resources will be in the description of this video, and also there's going to be a password for this. Just make sure you watch the tutorial. It's somewhere in the middle of the tutorial. I'll just type it somewhere in the middle of the video. Alright, so I will just come here and no, don't let me tamper with it. I will just increase the size of this one. Okay, I'm okay with this size. So the size is 116. Wow. So I'll just make use of 100. Well, let me increase it a bit. Okay, we have that one here. So the next thing is I'll be bringing in a shape. Okay, now this particular end. Now don't worry, I don't really need it to be in the other way it looks, so I can just come here and send it to the back. It's reminded me of Shazam. Black Adam. Okay, now we have this. I was just thinking about Shabak in Black Adam. Alright, so just position this one here. So if you just join me for the first time, hit the subscribe button. So I will just, the contrast will be at 24, the brightness will be about, okay, and now just position this one here. Okay, I'll lock this, copy this, then just flip it the other way around. Alright, so I'll leave this one here. Also copy, flip it this way. I'll leave it here. Okay, I'll just lock this one. Alright, so it is done. The next thing is just bring in a particular text, which is for the word Monday, morning. So I'll just increase the size. Now before morning, let's just bring in a shape. Come to gradient, click on this plus mark, then click on this one. You just bring this one here, then this particular one, click on this one and just make it black. So I'll move this one somewhere around here, then I'll move this one somewhere around here. So when I do it, I'm gonna get this. So I'm just going to increase the size. Alright, so okay, I'll make it 50. I'm okay, very okay with 50. So morning, okay, so font, okay, oh, I noticed something was off. Okay, it's quite okay now. All right, so good morning. Good. So but I'll be using a sans serif, and I'll make it thread bold. I'll just reduce the size to, let's see this guy here, about, let's see, 40. Okay, so we have this. You can see it's quite visible. So I'll just come to shape the radius a bit. Let's see. All right, I'll just position this one here. Now I was actually thinking, because of that my good, but it's quite okay. I'll just position it this way. Wrong. So what should have done? Let's see if I should move that good morning. Let's see if I can just move it to the top and just, okay. All right, so I have this. So my good, I'll just copy, then turn it to black. Okay, so I'll come here and CF, okay, so this is everything I have. So I'll just change this to, I think a regular will be okay. Why the CF? I'm making use of this particular font, my social media font. Okay, so we have this guy here. Alright, so I'll copy this and we'll just increase the size. And the opacity to about 20. Okay, let's leave it as 15. Okay, so okay, you know what, let's just copy this. Copy, position it at the middle. Also copy, position it at the middle. You know, let's bring this here. Okay, so we have this. Now just gladly merge the three of them together, the four of them together. Then I'll just send it to the back of the lady. I'll send it to the back of this lady. So okay, for this particular one, I think there's still one element which I haven't made use of. Okay, this particular one. So I was just thinking, why not just, I don't know if you can see it. Okay, I'll come to color filter. Let me give it a bit of contrast. Okay, I now understand why you're not seeing it, so I'll just move it to the front. Okay, so I'll just position it here, and let's come to color filter. Let's see. Okay, I'm quite okay with this. Then I'll just copy it again. Okay, so this is all I have. So let's bring in the original design. Okay, so this is the original design, and that is all for this video. So I think I just looked at this one very well. I think I reduced the opacity a bit to about 90, so it's quite a bit transparent. So I'll just, have I worked on the lady, this particular one? I haven't. So the saturation to about 25. Now the brightness to about 20, and the hue to about 15. Now okay, the password for the file is Shazam. Okay. So, now it's saving. So in case you've not subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscription button. Hit that button now. So just take it to Snapseed. Hit the subscription button so you get notified whenever I upload videos. I'll be uploading another one very soon, so you can be the first to see. So the first one I'll just use is accentuate. I didn't use much effect in this particular design, so it's accentuate. So okay, so you see the saturation now, it's kind of very high. So I'll come to thin image, come to saturation, reduce it a bit, reduce it to, okay, I'm quite okay with this now. So I'll be coming to HDR. So the filter effects was at this, then I made use of, let's try find and let's make use of people. So but I made use of this. All right, so that's everything I did for this particular video. Don't forget to subscribe, so we'll see in the next one. And is there any other thing again? I guess that's all. Okay, okay, it's quite okay this way. All right, so we'll see in the next video. Please do not forget to subscribe.